T minus. Gee. Can you chill? Holy jeez Louise. He's chasing after the cat. Oh, it's windy. T minus, I don't even know how many days. I should have checked the calendar before I started this vlog, but I'm heading into the park. Gonna go for the Barker Dam hike. We are just parked up, still in Joshua Tree. Obviously, I look like a dad with what I'm wearing. My shorts are literally like extra large. So they're really kind of kinked up. But anyway, B, we're gonna go in the park, okay? Anyway, I'm just putting the wood away. Kitty's here. She got her shots yesterday. So that's all done. Nova's due next year. So, oh! 1 second. My bad. I dropped my phone in the sand. Anyway, yeah, Nova's done for the year, so all of their shots are done. Kitty's just behind me there. I got a lot finished this week. Don't mind me if I look really bad. I have not washed my face, haven't even brushed my teeth yet. I was gonna do that in the park after I eat breakfast, but I kind of want to get on the quote-unquote road. I'll put Kitty's passport away. Her passport. Cat's got passports too. Do I have everything? Okay, good. But yeah, I got a lot done this week. I got some new clowns done. They're pretty cute. For Schoolie Palooza, I also got a lot of dinosaurs done as well. I'm going to be trading people while I'm there. Have a little table set up. I have some old beads so people can make bracelets if they want to, just for free. Come hang out, come meet me. You guys will be seeing this Saturday. I wasn't able to take a vlog again last week. Wasn't able to take a vlog again last week, so I'm doing it now. It's been really, really windy for the past couple of days. Really sad because the LA fires are going. I actually wanted to visit Malibu this summer, and it's sad that when I do go there, because I'll most likely be going there after Schoolie Palooza, it'll just be like remnants of what once was. So yeah, I guess we'll see. But anyway, that's a little bit of an update. Got 2 bags of glow sticks. How many pieces? 50. So I have 100 glow sticks for Schoolie Palooza. I'm excited, but we're gonna go. I think I'm gonna go stop at the little grab and go, Roadrunner grab and go right outside the national park. I'm definitely gonna get an Olipop drink, not sponsored by them, but I absolutely love them. I wish they sponsored my video, because that'd be great, because I really love the ginger, like lemon one. It tastes so good, and we don't have them in Canada. But anyway, I get as many as I can when I'm down here. I might get a wrap as well. We'll see what they have. Not too much wanting to spend money, but at the same time, whatever. And that's why I'm broke. Anyway, we're gonna go. Bye. Okay, we finally stopped at Barker Dam, and it is so windy outside still. The wind was done on the lake bed. I guess it's not done. Look how big this sandwich was. It was $11.99. I hope that it is good and full and not just bread. Okay, it was made today. And then obviously, Nova, move. You had your food already. Olipop, ginger lemon. So good. My favorite. Anyway, I got Sun Chips. It is like 9 a.m. But I do not care. They just had Sun Chips and then like cheddar ruffles. So I figured I'd get these. I have been on a semi-diet that's going okay. It's not going great, but it's going okay. I have lost some weight. I know that for a fact. Don't know how many calories this is. It does have a lot of like random stuff in it, it seems. I don't know why Americans love to put so many chemicals in their food. But it smells pretty good. The bread is a hue of this sandwich. And so is apparently the wrapping paper. But I hope it's good. If not, oh well. It's wet. The bottom is like wet. 1 second. My hands are all wet. This is helping me though, because it seems like every time I spend money nowadays, I always get something like crappy. And then so I don't, like yesterday I got a pizza and I felt absolutely like horrible after, like super sick. Which that's going to help me in the long run because that's going to make me not want pizza again. Can you leave me alone? I'm so glad I'm going on a hike just for a break from him. He's literally sitting behind me crying right now for this. He's had 2 cups of food already. And not even too long ago. He just ate. Anyway, I took the bottom bun off because it's literally wet. Like it is wet. See the other side? Yeah, the other side is wet too. Back up from my food. Yeah. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm not. I just did that on purpose. I guess I'm sorry for being weird. Anyway, this is like... I don't know. I know what it is. It's a waste of money. It's a big waste of money. I'll eat the cheese. Even the cheese isn't good. Anyway, I'm gonna have some self-control. I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm throwing it out. I'm sorry. I know that's wasting food, but it's gross. It's gross. I don't want to eat that. It's gross. This was like gross. Like, you'd think that it'd be good on it. Sounds good, but together it just makes a weird taste. And the wetness, like the wet, it's wet. That doesn't help. Anyway, so I'm going to pack for my hike. Then I'm going to go and burn off whatever calories I just ingested. I'm going to save the rest of the chips. I'm going to eat a couple more. But I want to limit myself. I don't want to be like I was before, where I would eat this whole thing right now. I am probably going to have a yogurt. Maybe. The hike's not too long. It's like a mile. But we're going to go. Dress warm. And yeah, see you guys in, well, 2 seconds in your time. Movie magic. Woo! Okay, I'm wearing my thrifted, where's it from? Wanacomb? Anyway, I love this thing. It's like pretty long, super cozy. I got at a thrift store, brand new. Apparently it's like $100 and something. No pets, thank God. Nova's in the van, agitating me. Every time I get ready for a hike, he thinks that he's coming and like he will not leave me alone. Like, he'll sit there crying and I'm like, just please, like, mom needs some time alone from you. So there's the trail. I think it's only 1.1 miles, so 2 kilometers ish. That's not bad. You are here. Guess we're gonna go just straight. There is some painted rock art. Gunsmoke's right there. I've been to Gunsmoke. Is a like bouldering route, but I've never been to Barker Dam. I did want to go last year, never ended up going, so we are going today. It did rain the other day. I don't know if there's going to be water in the dam, maybe. I don't know. I've never been there. You guys are seeing it first time, and so am I. So let's go. The hike is starting off kind of in a wash. Not really, but I guess so, unless they just cleared it out for the actual trail. Oops, that's not the one I wanted. There we go. But the wind, very, very strong. I hope you guys can still hear me. If not, then I'll just do a voiceover. I'm hoping that the deeper I go, the less the wind affects us, but I'll be back. Just videotape this for a second. And you guys can pause it. It's about to go off the screen, so if you're still reading, make sure you pause the video. Right here we're at kind of a little bit of a split with the park being, oh, it's cold. With the park being full of rock climbers, there are like different kind of trails you can go down. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure Gunsmoke is actually that way, but we are gonna keep going forward. That's what the trail looked like on the little map. I did not bring a map. I can always check GPS, even though no service in pretty much anywhere in the park, including the campgrounds, you are able to use GPS. So, hello. Hi. You're so cute. You're like not that scared. Okay, anyway. Pretty sure there are, I don't know what they call them down here, if they call them cougars, mountain lions. They are in the park. They're very, very rare, I believe. I have seen a fox before. There are also like the mountain things, the sheep, but hopefully we do not see anything today. That's just like an oak tree. You can pause it if you want. I'm assuming it's that. I also hope, fingers crossed, it is very, well, That'd make a cool picture. 1 second. Okay. Made it to the dam. You can see where the water has actually been. The water lines. And then all of that, I'm assuming, fills up. That's been quite high, I guess, in a lot of super stormy, rainy weather. But anyway, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go see the other side of it too.
Me too.
Okay. Hey guys, I'm here with Kim.
Hi.
She is from Scotland. So tell them a little bit about yourself if you want to.
Hi, I'm from Scotland, as Christina just said. I've been travelling South America for the past 10 months and now I'm in America. And here I am in Joshua Tree.
Do you have any social media that?
I don't
Okay.
know.
Well, then that's it. But met her on the trail and she took some pictures for me. I'll post them obviously on my Facebook, but we're just at Barker Dam checking it out. I just wanted to introduce her in case she's in the back of the videos. You guys know that I'm worried about hiking sometimes. So I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm okay and it's not sin. I know her. Oh, look at this. Oh, that wind. Yeah, that is a nice shape. See the water levels over there too. Thinking about how there's a lot of vegetation on this side. The ground does look a bit wet, actually. I think the trail continues that way. Probably find some cool rocks in the wash. The ground is definitely wet. I don't know if this used to be a trough, maybe. They used to fill up for horses and stuff. This could have been one too, actually. I don't know what this was. Some sort of rock. Educational purposes only. You guys know what I'm thinking. Anyway, it's pretty cool. Neat little place. Oh, wow, it's windy. There's petroglyphs in here. There's a lot on that rock. It's pretty cool. I didn't end up filming too much. I got the important parts of Barker Dam hike though, just because I met Kim on the trail. I asked her to take some pictures for me and she's like, do you want to hike together? And I went, you know what? Yeah. Anyway, we're at Hidden Valley. Oh, that's not my van. That's my van. I don't know if you guys remember, but I did the Hidden Valley hike. I forget what it's called. You remember the one where I was on my stomach, my butt barely fit, in kind of pretty much in that rock jumble up there. But today we're gonna do the actual hike that is, you know, more me and not me with someone else. I don't know what I'm saying right now. Anyway, we're gonna go. Not up there again. But if you haven't seen that video, it's a pretty fun video. Go check it out. Okay, bye. Okay, oh. Why does this say 1 hour? Anyway, average width 3 feet. 100 feet follow trail, narrow gap in the rock. Hidden Valley. Valley surrounded by rock walls. I hope so. No pets. Bring the essential. Be considerate, keep noise levels low. Oh my god, no. Anyway, that's what we're doing. The great burrito. Yum. So that is where we went inside. This and you're like, inside? Yes, we were literally inside that mountain rocks. We were like up there, I think. I don't really know, maybe it's on the other side, but we could see the parking lot, so it was somewhere there, up there, that we were. No one's up there today. I don't blame them. It is pretty windy, so it'd be quite dangerous. I don't know why I decided to run for part. Thank you. Part of the trail. Now I'm out of breath. That's pretty cool. I was gonna film in there. Why am I out of breath? I don't know where we were. I'm dying right now. I don't think the wind helps, in all honesty. Here, marching through the bush. Bush. Don't copyright me. I don't even think those are the words. I don't know why I'm zooming right now. I can just chill. Probably because it's cold. Like, I just want to go back in the van. No, it does feel nice to be out again. But it's so windy. You need a Cliff Bar. Wow. Look at that patina. I don't know why I'm filming myself eating. Now I'm filming on the floor. There's so much sand in my mouth. It's not done yet. It's just not enjoyable with sand. This looks like a pretty cool bouldering area too. Huh. I don't see any chalk marks. I do like that though. My hands are so cold right now. Wow. It's chilly. Dun, dun, dun. There's a palm tree. What is this? That looks pretty cool. Some sort of yucca fruit. Now we're in the wall section, I'm assuming. Maybe. I hope so. Because it's cold. Oh my gosh, look at the wind. Oh, we have to go down there. Oh my gosh, it created literally, well, it is a valley, but it's like a wind valley, like a wind tunnel. Oh my god, there's so much sand in my eyes. So much fun. I'm having so much fun. feel like this is the Blair Witch Project with my filming. Oh, I'm sweating. That's good though that I'm sweating, right? Because it's not hot outside, so that means that I'm burning calories. Right? Not gonna lie, this is pretty cool. Kind of in the middle of everything, which is what it said. I'm not gonna go off trail too much and explore too much. Actually, I'm off trail right now. I don't know how people get lost while hiking. I might be lost. Am I on trail? Or is that the trail? Uh-oh. Anyway, isn't it pretty? I don't know the trail. Oh, logs to tell you which way the trail goes. My bad. My thing about hiking is I always know which direction the car is in. I'm very, very good at not getting lost in terms of like I just said, which direction the car is in. I am fairly bad at staying on trail though. That is my issue. There's a tree here that looks really, really cool. Just took a picture of it. It's pretty nice. This guy fell over. I haven't even started. It is. It's like me running. There's a lot more people on this trail than the Barker Dam. The Barker Dam, I saw Kim and then 2 men. And I'm always weary of men, so she was really accommodating. We stayed back, we let them pass us, and then stayed back a little bit, let them go ahead of us. Not that they were harmful in any way, but it was, I don't know. Anyway. I went off trail. Shh. I think today's theme has been trees. And these things. Today's theme has definitely been trees. My lips are so dry, but they fully broke the other day because they were so chapped. So I didn't bring any chapstick. I'm trying to let them kind of just dry out and fully heal. Don't they look so fuzzy? They look so fuzzy wuzzy. Okay, they're not fuzzy. But, oh! A mother. Wow. I feel like Moses right now. Burning tree, burning bush. Look how perfect that is. Come on. I love this. I love this one so much. This is my favorite cactus, I think. My favorite type. It's not doing so good on this side. But that other side is magnificent. Well, oops. I don't know. Anyway. Bye. Good job. You look beautiful. Well, what do these guys want? Anyway, I'll be back. This hike is definitely burning calories though. With all these stairs. Well, this was fun. I think it's time to go back to the lake bed. just because I don't really know of any more semi-hidden hikes here. And it's very, very windy. And I went on 2 today. What was that? 4 kilometers? Not really. That I hiked, but wow, you can tell how dusty it is in the park. I've never noticed this on the ground. It's pretty cool. I didn't even notice that. Oh, I walked over there coming. I didn't even notice that coming in. You can tell. Look. So, see how it's kind of hazy? That's sand blowing and dust. Why do people like walk so close behind you? I did a good thing. There were 2 guys that were walking behind me and I let them pass, but they were walking kind of slow, so I ended up passing them and everything was fine. Nothing happened to me, so that's good. That's the little things. Actually, that's a pretty big thing for me. I do not like men behind me while I'm hiking. I don't like it, especially if they're like kind of walking at the same pace but they don't pass me. I hate that. But I think it's a big thing for me to kind of actually let them be behind me. Don't mind how messy my dashboard is. There's Kitty, Bitty from her shots yesterday. She's kind of moving around. Hello. You're so cute. Focus on the cat, not my dirty window. I feel like there's dust like everywhere. Anyway, that was fun. I'm leaving. I am going to the lake bed where I can sit in bed all day. I don't want to make art today. I just want to play games. I just want to nap, honestly. I slept pretty well last night, but I woke up pretty early, actually. I think at like 6 right on the dot, maybe even earlier than that. But anyway, I got some good pictures. I hope... Oh, I need to edit this. I'll edit it tomorrow. I don't want to edit it today. And I need to upload it tomorrow, too. Because tomorrow's Friday, and you guys are seeing this Saturday. The wind is pretty hectic. I'm still in like the parking lot, so as soon as I get out, I'm gonna get off of my phone, even though I'm not really paying attention to it. But anyway, that was fun. Hopefully I got some good footage. Nice meeting new people. I ended up giving her a little doll, so I hope she likes it, brings it with her on her travels. But yeah, wish that sandwich earlier wasn't disgusting and a complete waste of money. But it was, and I can't do anything about it. Anyway, love you all. See you next week. Next week will probably be a Schoolie Palooza vlog. If you don't know already, please subscribe. I have enough subscribers to get monetized. I would love to get monetized, but I need watch hours, so watch my videos, subscribe, add me on Facebook, add me on Instagram. Instagram Squatty Van Ventures. Facebook is Christina Squadrilla. You can find it from my Instagram though. And feel free to add me. That's where I post all my pictures. That's where I give you day-to-day updates. And yeah. Anyway, love you all. If you made it this far, thanks for watching the whole thing. If not, you're dead to me. No, I'm kidding. But please watch. Watch them. Watch me. Watch me do stuff. So I can make money from this eventually, please. Even though I love doing it anyway. Anyway,